Polynesian Club of Fresno. How about another big hand?
Very well represented this morning. All ages. Even the little four-legged one.
What a great entry. I still think you ought to work on those dancing moves, Rich. You could be out there too. If I could get my hip shaking like that, the hula hoop would come naturally. Great job.
Once again, the Polynesian Club of Fresno.
You know, one thing I mentioned just a few moments ago, we were talking about Courthouse Park, but